to the first ever episode of Epicure Eats Family Cooking. Come cook with us. And today we'll be unboxing this business kit, okay?
Woo! Whoa! This box is huge. Woo! We got lots of things. Ooh! We got all these cooking books. That's really exciting. Look, there's a big chicken on the front. She's definitely. Ooh, prep bowls. We got some new prepping bowls.
Ooh, a 2-in-1 citrus press. This will be helpful.
She keeps stepping on the bottom. Ooh, we have another 4-in-1 spoon. That's helpful.
Ooh, we got a bag.
Oh, more.
That says good food real fast.
We got some plain.
Ooh,
I think.
nice.
And we also have this raw to ready in 20 minutes.
Nice.
Why don't you open this box right beside you?
Okay, first mini box. Ooh.
We got
It's donair mix. We got mac and cheese mix. We got
some stir fry mix, General Tao mix, and cha-cha chili mix.
We got some enchilada mix. We got some more enchilada mix. We got some butter chicken mix.
We got some chocolate.
Some chocolate mix again. And that was our first mini box.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! A multi-purpose steamer. Woo! This is so big. Wow.
Ooh. We got some grip tongs. That's exciting.
We got
Some
some
scissors.
Epicure scissors. Nice.
Oh. It was
They are Prep Pro scissors.
Ooh, I
Sweet.
think we got some $40 VIP host gifts. These are all cards and everything.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh, furniture box certificates and a lot more.
No. Future booking certificates.
Second mini box. Oh, but my sister
What
didn't
is
take that.
this?
It's
Is
a
this
cutting board.
Non-slip cutting board. Ooh, look at the grips on here.
We're gonna move this
This
box
is
in.
nice. Has grips on both sides. I like the purple around the outside. Okay,
And
let's get-
last mini box. Well, our home is the second one, but it's the last. Ooh, what'd you
We
get?
got some guacamole mix.
We got some. What's that?
We got some poco picante mix.
We got some summer berry.
My favorite. We got some fajita mix. Always need
Oh,
this.
and roasted garlic.
Oh, every recipe needs roasted garlic.
So,
We ended up with a lot of stuff in this.
there's clipping spoon.
What's your favorite thing out of the set?
I would say it would be the multi-steamer.
The multi-purpose steamer. I think my favorite thing is probably the donair mix. I'm excited to
I would
try
like
this.
to see what the prepping. They're just normal prepping bowls. Let's see.
They're probably very nice. Wow.
We got
The
some.
lids are all purple.
And
And
then
then
we
we got
got
some nice glass prepping bowls.
Very nice.
Very
Oh,
nice.
2 more.
Oh, so 4 glass prepping bowls and then 4 lids.
Yep. 4 lids.
Wow, this is a lot of stuff.
This is a really cool package. Oh, you're opening the steamer?
Yes, I'm excited.
Oh, that looks so cool. We'll have to wash it first, but we are probably going to use it for tonight's dinner.
Wow, look at the steamer.
I'm opening.
So it comes with the lid, and then we got a rack.
Ooh.
So it's very nice and big, spacious. So you can put stuff down there, put the rack in, put more stuff on top, and then just put it in your microwave and steam it, and then you'll have good food.
Ooh.
Wow, the colors of this is very nice. It's also metal.
Wow.
Oh, look at. So this one I guess you would use for bigger fruit, and then if you have like something smaller.
Like a lemon.
Or I think this one's for limes.
Yeah.
And then this one's for lemons. It's very nice. The colors are very bright and vibrant. And then the tongs. These are probably going to be very helpful.
And our scissors.
Yes, the scissors.
The scissors are nice.
Well, thank you guys. Please join our group to get some awesome cooking lessons with our family. Get good food and stay well during this time.
And thank you, Epicure, for sending this package. This package is awesome.
Bye.